it going, folks? Hope you're all doing well. So I'm off to do something a little bit different today. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and for the first time in a long time, I'm going to play golf. Playing at quite a posh course. And, I'm just going to roll up in this. What a morning. So I'm at Kilworth golf course. Never been here before. Only on the driving range years ago. Playing with me brother. I haven't played golf in a long time, so this is probably going to be a shit show. I ain't going to take that with me. I'll take this and film a little bit, but it's not really appropriate walking around a golf course with a massive camera, is it, I guess? Got my kit out. Feels weird getting that out. It's been a while. This is wearing proper trousers, collared shirt. It's not really me anymore. Fair, although the whole image around golf is pretty like poncy and look at me in my nice car. It's actually quite a good game, really. It's hard. It takes a lot of skill to be good at it and a lot of practice. And I've got neither of those. Here he is. Hello. Always late.
Oh, what time are we on?
Past the time.
Oh, is it?
First shots weren't world changers. Is that when I had like the chair, is it?
Yeah.
That's years ago.
Don't have like a proper kettle or anything like that?
What, mains one?
Yeah.
Don't need it. This boils faster than the mains one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Does everything like clank about?
Not when the door's shut. Yeah, there's me, me fire.
Where's your bathroom?
I ripped it out.
Just use a Parkups? Is there always facilities at the Parkups or?
Well, yeah, there's public showers everywhere.
Is it?
Like, every service station has a shower.
Oh, and it's comfy.
So
where do you do all your editing? Is that just on here? Just like laptop on there?
No, there's a table goes here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, or I put the laptop goes on there and then the monitor comes out and it's plugged into the monitor. I've got a wireless keyboard.
How's that like all staying on the top? Is that magnets up there?
That's what?
Look, that lot there.
These?
Yeah, magnets.
No, they're screwed in.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this is the thing, mate. People, when you say, oh, I live in a van, people think you're living in fucking poverty. It's alright to me, this is.
I suppose it's just a space, innit? If you can get past living in this small space.
Yeah.
But I suppose it's that same thing though, is it? It's a small space when the doors close, when you...
Exactly. You open this.
I suppose at 10 PM, well 8 PM when it's bedtime and it's cold, yeah, it's probably good having a small little space.
Yeah, exactly.
It takes about 10 seconds to heat it up. It's already quite warm in here, isn't it?
Like that thing now I've put that in. It's only been in about a month or something. That's free heating. So again, this is the thing, you know, if you live smart, money's fucking irrelevant.
But I think the thing that kill me in here, it'd be the head height, but obviously it's fine.
Your head don't...
Yeah, it's fine.
It's the same with mine. Like if I tiptoe, I'm on it. But when you're walking around, you don't realise you're in...
Yeah.
As long as your head... If my head brushed, I'd lose my shit. But, you know, 2 inches clearance, it don't matter if it's 2 inches or 2 feet, as long as it don't touch.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I've been living in here for nearly 2 years straight now.
I suppose in that time I've spent, on average, £350 a month.
On rent?
Yeah. So let's say £350 a month in rent.
Yeah.
£7 grand. It's disappeared in a sense. Whereas I suppose, yeah.
We were spending £1,000 a month at the last house.
Is it?
With rent and the bills. £1,000 a month just gone on nothing. was there for a year, so 12k. This van cost me, I don't know what, probably about £9 now all in.
Yeah, it makes sense. I do. It's like one of those things. Like with me, where I am is that would I be able to live like it? No, but I don't. It's not that I don't think it's a poor thing. I think it's really cool, but it's just something for me. Like,
but some people do the van thing in this country and still have full-time jobs and work normally.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, just because I decided I don't want to work like a normal job doesn't mean that's what everyone's done.
Oh, so you get a few people that just go, right, I'm going to live in this.
Yeah, but you think about it this way. The money that you earn now from your job, imagine if you were living in this, so your outgoings, well, 135 of mine is car, so that's irrelevant. So what, 120 quid a month is your fixed bills that you must pay. Imagine the money you would have.
Oh,
that's why people do it.
Yeah. I suppose it's that, and it just don't conform with that what we were saying about the normal life, innit?
Yeah, that's it.
Because to be fair, that would be my only thing. Like what I do, like once you finish work, I suppose it's the same thing.
Exactly.
You go back, you
go home.
Yeah. Yeah, I do get you.
It's exactly the same. There's no difference between this and a normal house. There's just the only difference is you have to think about a few extra things, like when you flush the toilet, it doesn't just disappear into oblivion. You have to go and empty it yourself.
Yeah.
Things like that, and fill your water up.
I mean, would you? Yeah, I suppose if you're only paying £120 a month, what's that £120 on? Is that like your phone and internet and stuff?
Yeah, and like my tax, my insurance is monthly now as well, which is a bit annoying. But
when you think about it, and like you process like being in a van,
when it rolls off the tongue, it sounds like you're.
Yeah, because I suppose I picture it like living in my car.
Yeah.
And that's horrendous, but actually. It's just like feels like a normal little room here. So you've just got a small bedroom, small little, like.
It's just like an open plan student flat, except I can put it anywhere I want. So that door.
Have you got like tarpaulin and stuff that you build off it?
Yeah, I've got one that comes down here, and you got like an outside area, and they've got the roof deck. But that's the thing, like that door. I open it now. We're in Kilworth Springs car park. Could open it next week, and it's south of Spain. You can have it whatever you want.
What's the worst things that actually go on? Like, what's the shittiest thing? Because like, it's not all good. It's like with everything. Like, there's always the bad. What's the worst thing?
I don't know. I don't hate anything. There's nothing I dislike. There's annoyances like, oh, my water tank ran out. Better get the refill from in the garage and top it up. Yeah. That's like as far as it goes. Literally, it was bad last winter. Because I wasn't prepared, so I was struggling with power. That's bad. If you don't have power, you don't have heating. Well, before.
It's got quiet, isn't it? Like, even just out here in a place where there's people. I can imagine that kind of cool.
Yeah. Now that's with the window and this open. Close this. It's like being in a bubble in it.
Yeah. One thing that scared me, sat there having a Tommy tank. Someone walks by your van as I look in. Like
you can't see it.
Oh yeah, you can't, can you?
Limo tint windows.
Scruffy bastard. Yeah.
Tommy tank.
The thing that'd be worrying me the most is the people I'd have to deal with. There's got to be some fucking sweaty weirdos that you have to deal with.
Oh yeah, but you see, you don't have to deal with them. That's the beauty of it. If you partner to some rathead, what do you do?
Move.
Yeah, just like that. Just pass somewhere else.
True.
That's the thing. Like, if you get a neighbour, you ain't got to live with them for the next 5 years where you get out your overdraft. You just drive away.
Do you get some weird people like that you have to do?
Not really. Everyone I've met doing this has been sound.
Really?
Yeah, everyone. People have all different life stories, all different backgrounds, but they're all on the same page, so it's fine. Yeah, the amount of people, like random people, I've pulled up next to and we've ended up sat having beers around a fire all night. Just complete strangers. So because I spent most of the day playing golf, not done the video yet, and it is 4:15, better get busy. So check back in a bit. Right folks, so unfortunately the days ran away from me a little bit because it's winter. Not a lot I can do about it. It's dark at like 5 o'clock or whatever. So as usual, night time, so I'm on the way to park up somewhere to sleep. going to go to one of my usual spots. I know I won't get any drama there, that's why it's probably a bit boring for you lot to see. But while I'm around here, you know, I'm going to these same spots because I know they're alright. Oh, there's a car down here. Interesting. Are we going to scare somebody? The only downside is they're in my goddamn spot. So I'm going to have to go down the road a bit maybe. Generally people kind of shit themselves when I come down in this. Oh, it's a bit annoying. That's my spot. I can't imagine they'll be there long. So I'll just keep an eye out and then head up there, because down here it's wonky as hell. And right outside this brand new multi-million-pound house, I might just have to turn around, you know. Bear with. I'm trying to do a 3-point turn here. God, that's the crazy thing about this van, you know, the size of it, and I've just managed to do a 3-point turn on a country track. Like the turning circle on an Iveco is mad. Thanks for all the comments, by the way. They keep coming in on all the videos. It's much appreciated. Yeah, I can't always respond to them, I'm afraid. I don't like just replying generically. If I'm going to reply, I like to actually reply properly. If I've not replied, please don't be offended. I'm trying to catch up with them. What's that car doing? Should I just go and pull right in front of them with all the flipping lights on? Should I do it? I think I'm going to do it. Let's go have a look. I want my goddamn good parking space. I think we need the big lights on to be more intimidating now, don't we? There we go. Right, let's go druggy hunting. In fact, it's probably these knobheads that dump them flipping condoms there. Oh, they're still there. They're definitely shagging in there. Oh, there's people shagging in the car. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. God, I bet they are shitting their pants. Scruffy f***ing bastards. I feel like they're probably not going to be in the mood anymore after I've just showed up. I just seen them both pop up on the back seats. I don't know if it came out on the camera. It's like van life checklist. Interrupt some doggers. Tick. Oh, yet again, I forgot to end the video, didn't I? So, the doggers just left, like 4 hours later, which is great. But yeah, so, signing off for today. I know it was only a short video, but it is what it is. Right. I'll see you tomorrow.